Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check whether slow motion video option is available or not on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to camera of your phone here and then go to more button. Go to more button and here you will have slow motion option if it is available. See here, yes, slow motion button is available. Just click it and then you can start recording slow motion video. I record slow motion video and I stop recording. So here you can understand that the slow motion video is available in your phone. Okay, suppose if it's not available means this option will not be available even in main panel or in more button. Okay, in this way you can easily check whether slow motion video option is available or not in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.